In general, I don't like the taste of fish. Here you go. Today, we are going to make soy maple salmon with the Mexican-inspired corn. Let's get started.
We're gonna preheat 2 pans to high while we do the preparation. I'll chop up all our vegetables first. Chop it up finely. The pans are getting hot, so I'm gonna turn them off. I'm gonna use half of this garlic for a sauce that we're gonna use for the salmon, and half of this is also gonna go into the corn. Half of this is gonna go in the corn, and half of this is gonna go in the salmon. Sometimes you just gotta use what you have on hand for a weekday meal. Finally chop this. We're gonna put this into the corn and roast this with the corn. Now we're gonna make a sauce for the salmon. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Half a teaspoon of hoisin sauce. A tablespoon of maple syrup. I'm going to put a little bit of the garlic in here and a little bit of the green onion. Some black pepper. Stir that around. Take the corn and drain it and rinse it. And rinse it. Take the corn, turn the pan to medium-high, and add some olive oil. I'd say probably about a tablespoon. Add the corn to the pan. Coat the corn with the oil. You want the corn to get nice and brown and charred in some of the bits. Turn your pan for the salmon to medium-high. We're going to cut our salmon in half. The easiest way I found to do that is skin side up, cut into the meat. Take some salt and pepper and put that on the skin side. Put a little bit of salt on the skin. We're using soy sauce, so we don't need to put too much salt on this. Add some oil to your salmon pan, your corn, a little bit of a toss. With your salmon pan, just get the oil coated on the bottom. Take your salmon and put it skin side down. This particular salmon is thin. You might get salmon that's pretty thick. If it's thick, you may want to finish off your salmon in the oven. Once your corn has had a little bit of time to cook, it's starting to pop right now actually, add your onion to the pan. You'll see that you're starting to get some char to your corn. Add a little bit of pepper and salt to the corn. Let's check our salmon just to see how this side is doing. It's starting to get golden on the bottom. You'll be able to just look at the side of the salmon to see its progress in terms of how done it's getting. It needs a little bit more time right now. This is getting to about the crispy factor that I wanted it to be. There are charred bits. You can start to smell a little bit of the char, which is nice. So I'm going to turn off the heat. Allow the corn to cool down just a little bit. It's getting kind of golden brown on this one. I'm going to add the sauce. allow the sauce to reduce by a quarter. I'm going to turn off the heat, let the salmon sit there for a little bit, and now we're going to finish up our corn. Take a dollop of mayonnaise, add the remainder of the garlic, green onion, and jalapeno. Add some black pepper and some taco seasoning. Sprinkle about a quarter to a half teaspoon, a little less than a quarter cup of shredded cheddar cheese. The brine is being very protective of us right now. Now we're ready to plate this up.
Cheers.
Cheers.
In general, I don't like the taste of fish, but this is exceptional. The maple syrup actually eliminates some of the fish taste in your mouth, and also corn give you that spicy jalapeno kicks to it, and also has a sweetness hit your mouth. You know, it doesn't take that much time to make this, and it's very tasty. And that concludes our video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye!